Simple, smart, profitable. Index funds are the financial world's best-kept secret for making your money work harder for you. Have you ever wondered how you can grow your wealth without constant monitoring or stress? In today's video, we're breaking down how to start investing in real estate with no money down. Let's stick together till the end because you'll be amazed to discover strategies that can change your life. What are index funds? And why are they game changers? How can you invest in the stock market without needing to be an expert? The beauty of index funds lies in their simplicity and effectiveness. An index fund is a type of mutual fund or exchange-traded fund, ETF, that mirrors the performance of a specific market index, like the S&P 500, NASDAQ, or FTSE 100. By investing in an index fund, you're not just buying into a single company, you're buying a slice of every company in that index. For example, an S&P 500 index fund gives you exposure to 500 of the largest U.S. companies. Instead of attempting to beat the market by picking individual stocks, a strategy that often fails, you're choosing to ride the wave of overall market growth. Historically, markets tend to grow over time, and index funds capitalize on this long-term trend. They allow you to enjoy market gains without the stress of constant monitoring or decision-making. The magic of compounding, turning small steps into big rewards. Have you ever thought about how a small, consistent habit could create life-changing results? Compounding is one of the most powerful forces in investing, and index funds are the perfect tool to harness it. When you invest in an index fund, your returns are reinvested, creating a snowball effect. Each year, your investment grows not only from the original amount you put in, but also from the returns generated. Over time, this growth becomes exponential. Consider this. If you invest $1,000 in an index fund with an average annual return of 8%, that amount will grow to nearly $10,000 in 30 years. Add consistent yearly contributions, and your portfolio could skyrocket to hundreds of thousands of dollars over a lifetime. Compounding rewards patience and consistency, making it a cornerstone of wealth building. While others chase quick wins, you'll quietly watch your wealth multiply. Low costs, big gains. Why fees matter more than you think. Have you ever felt nickel and dimed by hidden fees? High fees can be a silent killer of your investment returns. Every dollar paid in fees is a dollar that's not working for you. Index funds are known for their low expense ratios, often as low as 0.03%. This is a stark contrast to actively managed funds, where fees can range from 1% to 2% annually. While this may seem like a small difference, it compounds significantly over time. Let's put this into perspective. An investment of $100,000 with a 2% annual fee could lose almost $40,000 in fees over 20 years. With index funds, these costs are minimized, ensuring more of your money stays invested. That's the magic of compound growth. Every saved dollar becomes part of the snowball that builds your wealth over time. Over decades, the seemingly tiny difference in fees can mean the difference between retiring comfortably or falling short of your financial goals. This cost efficiency is one of the key reasons index funds consistently outperform many actively managed investments. By avoiding high fees, you're not just saving money, you're actively securing your financial future. Stress-free investing, letting go of market drama. Do market downturns leave you anxious? What if you could invest without worrying about daily fluctuations? One of the greatest benefits of index funds is their hands-off nature. Since they track the entire market, you're betting on overall growth rather than the performance of individual companies. Markets have historically recovered from crashes and continue to grow, making index funds a long-term investor's dream. This approach eliminates the emotional roller coaster that comes with active investing. You don't need to time the market, monitor stock prices, or make impulsive decisions. Instead, you can focus on your life while your investments quietly grow in the background. Imagine a financial strategy that doesn't require constant oversight yet consistently delivers results. Index funds make this possible. The peace of mind that comes with index investing is invaluable. You're free from the noise of market volatility and the stress of constantly adjusting your portfolio. Instead of chasing trends or fearing crashes, you can enjoy the steady, reliable growth that comes with trusting the broader market. Diversification, your built-in safety net. Have you ever worried about putting all your eggs in one basket? Diversification is the golden rule of investing, and index funds offer it effortlessly. When you invest in an index fund, your money is spread across hundreds or even thousands of companies. This built-in diversification minimizes risk. If one company performs poorly, the impact on your overall investment is softened by the success of others. For instance, a total market index fund might include companies from various sectors like technology, healthcare, finance, and more. This broad exposure protects your portfolio from the volatility of any single industry. It's like having a financial safety net that ensures your wealth isn't tied to the fate of just a few companies. What's even better is that diversification through index funds doesn't require you to research individual stocks or industries. You're essentially buying a piece of the entire market, benefiting from the growth of countless businesses. This ease and efficiency make index funds an ideal choice for both novice and seasoned investors alike. Time is your greatest ally. Do you know the secret weapon of successful investors? It's time. The earlier you start investing, the more time your money has to grow. Even small investments can yield significant results when given enough time. For example, investing $50 per month in an index fund with an 8% average annual return could grow to over $100,000 in 30 years. Waiting to invest, however, can cost you dearly. Procrastination means missing out on years of compounding growth. The good news is that many index funds have low minimum investment requirements, making it easy to get started today. The passive income dream. Let your money work for you. What if your investments could pay your bills one day? Index funds can turn this dream into reality through passive income. Most index funds distribute dividends, payouts from the companies within the fund. These dividends can be reinvested to accelerate growth or used as a steady income stream. Over time, your dividend income can grow to cover your living expenses, freeing you from reliance on a paycheck. This passive income potential makes index funds a cornerstone of financial independence. Imagine a future where your money works tirelessly for you even while you sleep. Real-life success stories, ordinary people, extraordinary results. What if I told you that building wealth doesn't require a fortune to start? Many individuals have achieved financial independence through consistent index fund investing. Take the story of Jack Bogle, the founder of Vanguard and the creator of the first index fund. His revolutionary idea was simple: make investing affordable and accessible to everyone. Today, millions of investors credit index funds for their financial success. Consider the countless individuals who've used index funds to retire early. These are everyday people, teachers, engineers, and freelancers, who commit to regular contributions and let time work its magic. Their stories prove that financial freedom is within reach for anyone. The future of index fund investing. Have you noticed how technology is changing the way we invest? The future of index funds is brighter than ever. Online platforms and apps have made investing easier and more accessible. You can start investing with just a few taps on your smartphone. Additionally, new types of index funds are emerging, catering to specific needs like environmental, social, and governance (ESG) criteria. As fees continue to drop and awareness grows, more people are turning to index funds as their preferred investment choice. Whether you're a seasoned investor or a complete beginner, there's never been a better time to harness their power. So what's your take on index funds? Are you ready to let them do the heavy lifting for your portfolio? Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, index funds are a proven path to financial growth with minimal effort. Drop your questions or experiences with index funds in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more practical tips to grow your wealth and achieve financial freedom. Thanks for watching. Stay focused, stay informed, and let's make your money work for you.